Hi there, I'm Nisha from nisahomey.com. Today I'm making egg fried rice. Egg fried rice is a very easy Chinese dish which you can make it at home. To make egg fried rice I'm using one large carrot, or you can use two small carrot, a small bunch of spring onion, half a capsicum, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 3 eggs. I've also soaked 2 cups of long grain rice, pepper powder, soybean sauce, oyster sauce and green chili sauce. I have also thinly chopped the capsicum and the carrots and sliced the garlic and white part of the spring onion. Finely chop the green part of the spring onion. To cook rice, I have kept a pot filled with about 10 to 12 cups of water to boil. I am adding in some salt, about 2 teaspoons salt. Now the water has started boiling. Now I am going to add in the cleaned and washed rice. Now our rice is 3/4 cooked, so let's strain this to a strainer. Now I have strained the rice onto a strainer. I am heating a large kadai with some oil. Once the oil is heated, add in the sliced garlic. Give it a stir. Once the garlic has started to brown lightly, add in the chopped carrots. Give it a nice stir. Add in half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper, and then remove it to another plate. We are only stir frying the vegetables, so it will only be 3/4 cooked. Now add in the chopped capsicum. Give it a stir. Add in 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder. Again give it a nice stir. Now let's remove the capsicum. Now I'm adding in the eggs. Add in little salt, half teaspoon pepper, and now scramble the egg. Now the eggs are scrambled, so let's remove them. Add in some more oil, about 1 tablespoon. Once the oil is heated, add in the chopped white part of the spring onion. Give it a nice stir. The flame is on high because we are still frying it. Add in 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 1 teaspoon soy sauce and 1 teaspoon green chili sauce. Give it a nice stir. Then add in the cooked rice. Give it a nice mix. I have now put the flame on low. Now add in the capsicum, carrot and eggs. Give it a nice mix. Check salt. If you need, you can add more salt, and if you need more pepper, you can add little. I'm adding half teaspoon pepper. Again, give it a nice mix. And lastly, sprinkle spring onion. Give it a nice stir again. And yes, our egg fried rice is ready. So easy. For fried rice, you can also add vegetables like beans and cabbage, and adding chopped celery sticks gives a unique taste and flavor, but since I don't get it here, I'm not adding it. If you can get celery sticks, please add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped celery sticks. I hope you will try this easy egg fried rice and let me know in the comment section how this turned out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.